All right, today I have a 2019 Tesla Model 3, and today I'm going to go over the heating and cooling system in this vehicle. But before we get started, could you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting behind the steering wheel. I'm going to look to the left-hand side, and you see down here, here is the monitor with everything on it, right? We're going to look at the lower panel right here, and you see this right here? The temperature right here has a temperature, and then the fan in the middle. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this and I'm going to tap it. And when I tap it, that comes up, okay? It comes up with a whole bunch of controls right here. We're going to start from the left and then we're going to work our way around clockwise. Right here is the power button. Right now it is currently on. If I press this, it turns off. Now let's go back here so we can turn it on. So I'm going to go back to the fan and it is turned on. All right, so we did that. All right, so next we're going to go to the next feature, which is the auto, okay? I'm going to press auto, and that it automatically adjusts the temperature in here, all right? All right, and then we're going to press it again to turn that off, okay? So now we're up to here. It says AC. Now, if you're blowing cool air and you want cool air to come out, air-conditioned air, okay, you're going to press the AC and make sure that is selected in blue. All right, the next is the fan speed. Okay, you can control the fan speed. You can have it from going at 1 and it goes all the way up to 10. All right, look at that. It's going to go all the way to 10 and it blows out fast. All right, here we go. All right, now let's move up. There's another control right here. This is the keep climate on control right here. Right now it's currently off. This function is off. You can turn it to on, or you can turn it to dog mode. I'm guessing that if you have a dog in the vehicle. Let's bring it back up. It came down. It says right here, it says climate will turn off after you leave the car. So I mean, you can adjust this right here, put it in dog mode if you need to, or keep it on like if you want to. I'm not gonna mess with that. Next is the recirculation. All right, the recirculation button. After a while, this thing goes down. You got to bring it back up. The recirculation, that recirculates the air within the vehicle. All right. I'm going to pull it from outside of the vehicle. All right. And then down here, what is this button? This feature is for the blowing at the face. Okay. This blows the air at the face. Now it's not right there. I'm assuming that's for the rear. Okay. I think that's the rear right there. And then we're going to come back over here. And this is for, you can control it to where it blows on the feet if you want to. Or if not, at the face right here. All right, you have it blowing at the face, or you can have it blowing upwards. Okay, you can have the direction blowing upwards. All right, you can turn the face off like that right there. All right, and it shows you where it's blowing at right here on this control panel. All right, it shows you where it's blowing at. It's a really cool feature right there. Now, if you want to make it hot or cooler, there is this right here. You tap one of these and you can control it for either the left side or the right side. You can take this and you can change the temperature to whatever, and then when you're done you can press sync and it will sync both sides to where both sides have the same cooling and cooling going on or heating going on. All right, and you can change that to do it like that. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.